Okay. Look, this was gonna happen, right? Hey everybody, it's Jay Renee. If you are new here, then welcome, and hey y'all. And if you are a returning subscriber and or viewer, then welcome back, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in and remaining loyal. If you haven't already, then make sure that you do subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit that bell button down below so you're notified every time I post some greatness. But in today's video, I will be doing a super cute braided ponytail style that y'all see in the thumbnail. I'm sure that's why you're here, but I am so excited to do this. I was sent a pre-braided ponytail by N Styles on Instagram. I will put her Instagram right here and in the description below so you can go get you one. I do have a coupon code as well that will be on the screen and in the description below. But I am so excited to get this started, y'all. So the products I will be using to complete this style are my Kelly Logan products. Y'all know I love me some Kelly Logan, y'all. If you want to get her products, of course, I'm also going to have my coupon code in the description below. This video is not sponsored, y'all. I really just want to try this braided ponytail that was sent to me by N Styles. And then I'm using Kelly Logan products because I genuinely love them. So let's just get straight to this braided ponytail, y'all. Okay, so I am not starting on freshly washed hair. My hair has been braided for about a week while I've been wearing my wig. I put some pictures here so y'all can see my cute little wig. But yes, my hair is sectioned into two, as you can see, because it is so much easier to put your hair like in a kind of slick style when your hair is sectioned. And this front part, of course, is gonna have the rubber band style and the braids. I'm gonna speed through this so y'all could just see me do this front part, and then I'll be back when it's time to start like slicking my hair for the braided ponytail. Okay, beautiful people, as you can see, I did not do the rubber band style on the side because I was trying, but I need my nails done, and you know when you need your nails done, they start lifting. So like these two braids, my nail popped off, and when I was trying to do the rubber bands, it was snagging. So I was like, you know what? No, we're just gonna stick with the two braids in the middle, and we're gonna put some gold something and make it look cute, you feel me? So I'm gonna see how this is gonna turn out. I have no idea. But anyways, okay, let's just get to it. I am going to sweat it. I've never did this before, and I haven't did like a sleek style in a very long time, so I'm going through it right on camera with y'all. And I'm going to sleek this up, y'all. So I'm gonna section this back part, then I am going to detangle with my detangling brush from Kelly Logan. I'm definitely gonna make sure I detangle at my roots, y'all, because you want your roots to be very slick. You don't want no bumpity bumps, you know what I'm saying? This is gonna be a high ponytail, so brush it up, you know, so that way you feel the smoothness. Now I'm going to take my Kelly Logan Max Hold Styling Jelly. I'm gonna use that to slick it up, and then I'm also gonna use her Effortless Edge Control, y'all. I love this edge control. Kelly Logan has a new formula than the one I used before, and I love it so much. It gets me together. So I'm taking some of that styling jelly, and then I'm just gonna use it to help sleek my hair up. Now you got that hard bristle brush. I think I did that backwards, y'all.
I did do that backwards.
Trial and error. I'm trying to tell y'all, I don't know everything, okay? I be going through stuff just like y'all. Okay. Look, this was gonna happen, right? So I'm gonna do the back last so I can put it all up. You know what I'm saying? My mind is just everywhere. Wet this section here so it's easier to manage, but I don't want it to be soaking wet though, because I notice when my hair is soaking wet, it poofs up like really bad, and my hair isn't gonna be as slick as I want it to be. I am gonna use some of that conditioning curl cream. Boop. Put it edges, well, my edges, girl. Put it on my hair. Take my styling jelly. Ooh, I don't like that. Edge control. Let's go, Kelly Logan. Effortless edges. I actually think I'm just gonna use the edge control to slick my hair back. Cause look at that. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Ooh, and it's so shiny. Look how shiny. Y'all know, if y'all saw my videos when I use Kelly Logan products, they all make my hair so shiny. Yeah. That's it right there. Right there. And you're still gonna be able to see my little braids. Okay. Connect that part to my back. Now I'm going to do this side. I'm excited now. I was a little discouraged with my rubber band styles. It didn't work, y'all, but this is gonna be cute. Now, I am not gonna use that Max Hold Style Jelly anymore because I did see, y'all saw in the beginning, like my hair was really flaky. So I'm gonna skip that and I'm just gonna use my edge control. And my front part is situated and sleeked. I'm gonna put a ponytail holder on that. Now it's time to sleek the back, y'all. As you can see, I'm starting off right here at the top part of my back section. Same thing, wet my section, take my curl cream, put it on the ends of my hair so they can be moisturized. Then I'm going to detangle. Make sure that inside is smooth. The inside of your hair, your roots have to be smooth. Take the edge control and you kind of just like put it on your roots, basically, if that's making sense. Take your bristle brush, brush it up until you feel it's smooth. Now I'm going to continue slicking the back of my hair up. Now that my back is all slick and sleek, let me show y'all. Boom. Now it's time to get this ponytail cracking. Woo, my arms is tired, honey. All right, y'all, so all I did was connect the back part of my hair to the front. I took it all down and then just brought it all the way up. Braided ponytail I have is in here. I'm gonna take it out for y'all. It's in a little net. And this is what it looks like, y'all. Let me see. This is what it looks like. So it's very long, very thick. It has some bedazzled clips. Love, it got the little rhinestones. Then at the end, it is curly, so that's cute. Came just like this. This here is what I'm gonna use to attach it to my ponytail. Let me just take this off real quick. So first I wanna see where it's gonna lay. I think right there. So you're gonna take the ponytail holder on the braid. Make sure your braid is facing outward, like where you want it to be, because you want the pretty stuff to show. So now I'm just gonna attach this onto my ponytail, y'all. Let me take this off so y'all can see better. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, attach it. Oh, I got so much going on. Attach it to my ponytail here. Here we go. Boop. I'm gonna try to wrap it again. So let me see. Take that ponytail holder and I'm gonna actually just wrap it around, like in the middle here. So here, here. Cool. Yes. Now that feels more snug. So you're going to take your two braids, right? Take them both. Then you're going to wrap it around each other, basically, which is also going to wrap around the braided ponytail. Take those ends and you bobby pin them. Make sure that you make your two braids tighter than I did so they won't look so puffy, and then it'll come out much smoother and much cleaner. I'm gonna just bobby pin that until I feel like they're secure. Let me take this off so I can show y'all. Okay, so it's not perfect, but it's cute. Look at that. Take my edge control. You can do this with any type of imperfections, y'all. I'm gonna bobby pin those frizzies down. Now I'm just gonna jazz it up just a little bit. Okay, y'all, this is it. This is my side braided ponytail. Let me show y'all how long it is. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, 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 woo. Still going down. It comes to my thigh, y'all. So y'all see in the pictures, I'll insert pictures because I am about to go take some. But this style is super cute. Was it easy? The hardest part was putting your natural hair into the bun. That was the hardest part, to be honest. So you can spice it up however you want. You can put like some little braids, the rubber band styles. Like I said, I do have a video on that so y'all can see. This ponytail is super cute. So thank you, Ian Styles, for this. And yeah, it's just a cute little protective style. Keep your hair up out the way. It is braided. This is not too tight at all. Like, it's really not tight, y'all. So yeah, that's it. This is cute. Came out cuter than I expected, honestly. But yes, y'all, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.